Welcome to Dose of Drawings. In this video, I will show you how to draw Ekans from Pokemon. If you watch some of my other videos, you notice that I start drawing a circle first. I start drawing a circle first for most of my drawing is because it gives me an idea of where to position the drawing, and then adding additional body pieces like the arms, the body, and the legs. But in this particular case, since we're drawing Ekans, we don't have to draw all those body pieces since Ekans is a snake Pokemon. Anyway, as you notice right now, I drew a smaller circle inside the bigger circle, which is the eye, and drew a little dash mark or one line in the middle of the eye. And after that, I'm drawing a curved line connecting from the eye to the side of the head. Looks like the letter C. Next, I'm moving down a little space below to create another curved line for the mouth. Once you're done drawing that curved line, as you can see, I'm drawing another line inside to create the full shape of the mouth of Ekans. You can see that I'm erasing some lines to make some adjustments. But here's a fun fact of Ekans. Did you know Ekans is the word snake backwards? Now, as you can see, I'm just drawing another curved line inside the mouth for the tongue. Now, you're probably wondering, why does my drawing look different from a few seconds ago? That's because I erased it and I thought it looks weird. But after looking over this video that I'm editing right now, the drawing I'm doing right now kinda looks weird, but that's okay. Okay, moving on. As you notice that you can see I just drew two small dots for the nose above the mouth, and right now I just drew a curved line a little bit for the neck. After that, I'm simply connecting the lines together, creating a curved line just like this. And after that, on the bottom, I will do the same thing, drawing two lines on the side and curving it all together. Once you're done with that, we're going to draw in the tail. As you can see, I'm drawing a line going up like this on the side of the body and curving it down. And after that, on top, we're just going to draw a few circles for the rattle of Ekans. We're going to draw 5 circles. For each of the circles, it will be gradually smaller till the end. Nice! After you're done drawing the rattles, I'm just drawing the detail work of Ekans. I'm just drawing a few lines. I won't be explaining this part because I think it will be simple, but if you think I'm drawing too fast, you can pause any time in the video and draw along. Once you completed drawing the detail work, you're all done drawing Ekans! For the rest of the video, I'm going to put it into a time lapse to show you my outlining and coloring Ekans. Hey, if you're listening to this right now, that means you reached to the end of the video. I'd like to say thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next drawing of Pokemon.